Welcome Jebel Ali. In this tutorial we are going to choose the sprites for our virtual pet. Now what we need to do is make sure we are down here in the sprites area, and at the moment I have a cat and I'm going to delete my cat and I'm going to add a new sprite, and I'm just going to make this stage a little bit bigger by clicking here, and I'm going to choose my sprite. Now you choose your sprite down here where you see it looks like a bear or a cat with a plus sign. So move your mouse on here, don't click, just move your mouse and then move your mouse up to choose a sprite where you see a magnifying glass, then you can click, and here you will see lots of different sprites. Now I'm going to go to the fantasy section and I'm going to use Gobo. The reason why I'm using Gobo because he has 3 costumes. If I click on Gobo, and there he goes, he appears on my stage. Now the costumes are different sprites that your character can change into. So if you click on the costume tab here, you will see that I have Gobo with a smile, Gobo with a bigger smile, and Gobo looking a bit confused. Now what I want is the big smile to be first. So I'm going to drag that to the top. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to call the first costume happy. So click on it, and where it says costume, I'm going to change that to the word happy. The second one, I'm going to choose sad because I'm going to make him look sad. And then the last costume I click on, I'm going to call it ill. Now my sad costume, I'm going to click on there. Then using the select tool, I'm going to click on the mouth. As you can see, I've clicked on it, and you can see this arrow here. Now if I click and hold, I can turn his smile upside down, so he's kind of looking unhappy. So that will make my sad character. Okay, so there is my sprite with its 3 costumes, and I can make my sprite bigger by making sure I'm clicking on the sprite, and where it says size I can increase this number. So I'm going to change that to 150, click away, and there is my sprite a bit bigger. Now I'll need 2 more sprites. I'll need a sprite for the water and a sprite for food. So I'm going to add a new sprite. So same again, click on the face with a plus sign, click on the magnifying glass. This time I'm going to search for a sprite. So where it says sprite search, I'm going to type in water, and there I get a glass of water. I'm going to drag that glass of water underneath my first sprite, and then I'm going to add another sprite. So same again, search for my sprite, and I'm going to search for an apple, and that is going to be my food. So click on the apple and it will appear on the stage. You can resize these again by changing the size number here. I'll change my water to make it a little bit smaller, and there you go. So there are my 3 sprites. My water, my food, or my apple. I can change the name to food if I want by clicking there, and Gobo, which is my virtual pet. Now I could change the name Gobo to virtual pet, click away, and my virtual pet has its 3 costumes: happy, sad, and ill. And there you go, that's the sprites you need, and they're ready for the next tutorial where we'll start programming our virtual pet. Take care and see you soon.